饮湖上初晴，后雨二首，其二，苏轼。水光潋滟晴方好，山色空蒙雨亦奇。欲把西湖比西子，淡妆浓抹总相宜。
Drinking on the lake as it clears, then rains. No.2. 苏轼. Translated by Red Pine. The shimmering waves are translucent when it clears. The mist-veiled hills are transcendent when it rains. I think of West Lake as the beauty of the West, equally lovely in powder or paint.